Choosing the right products for a first-time initial pest control service sets the tone for long-term performance and customer trust. For an initial interior treatment, start with a broad-spectrum water dispersible granule like Alpine WSG applied as a perimeter and spot treatment to active areas because it offers long-lasting residue and low odor. Apply it as a fine mist and avoid puddling by using overlapping horizontal swaths at chest height, then follow with targeted low-volume applications in basements and attics where activity is noted. Use a non-aerosol ready-to-use or diluted suspension such as Bifen XTS for exterior knockdown on foundation walls, entry points, and under eaves spraying down to the point of runoff but not into storm drains. This gives quick control and residual protection. Put a small amount of an amorphous silica dust product like Delta Dust into cracks and crevices in voids, behind baseboards, and inside electrical outlets when power is off. Apply a thin, even layer with a bulb duster and avoid over-application, because dust is most effective when it remains dry and undisturbed. Supplement liquids and dusts with station baits and granular baits in voids and along known trails for ants and roaches, placing them in tamper-resistant bait stations where children or pets could access. For heavy infestations, use granular baits in wall void access points and under mulch. Always perform an inspection first to identify species, entry points, and conducive conditions, document findings and treatment locations for the customer, and communicate realistic follow-up expectations, including a reinspection window. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, observe label rates and restrictions, and keep treatment records to track efficacy and refine product selection over subsequent visits. Common mistakes include over-application of dusts, which leads to clumping and loss of efficacy and can cause visible powder that alarms customers, so apply lighter and targeted doses and explain placement. Using only a single product type can lead to incomplete control, so combine a targeted dust in voids with a residual liquid perimeter and baits for ingestion to cover contact and ingestion pathways. Failing to identify species or entry points often results in repeat treatments, so take the time to inspect, set monitors where needed, and show the customer the problem areas so follow-up work can be precise. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who offer pest control and other home services, and helps contractors find work opportunities by connecting them with interested homeowners. We also maintain a discussion community where users and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences.